In this tutorial I will show you how to create half-face text portrait effect in Adobe Photoshop.
Press Ctrl R and set a scale line in center of face. Select Text tool and type your text in half face. Change the text color to white. Press Ctrl T to transform the text. Copy the face layer and change its position center to top. Then create a clipping mask. Select rectangular marquee tool and create selection. And then create layer mask in the first face layer. And then press Ctrl I to invert the layer mask. And then select text layer and open blending option and create drop shadow. Follow the setting. That's set. Hope you like it. Don't forget to click on subscribe button.